Welcome to my channel, all you beautiful people. I am Isha, and today we're going to do something very special. This is literally what Kashmir literally runs on, and this is very close to their hearts. And every Kashmiri, aaj tak abhi tak, jitne I've met, is in love with this. I'm talking about none other than the famous, very famous Kashmiri sheer chai, or more commonly known as their noon chai, the pink salty tea. Without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so I have here with me the main ingredients for making this noon chai. So we have water, and ये है gunpowder green tea. Then we have salt, because it is noon chai, it's a pink salty chai. And then the next interesting ingredient that we have we're putting in this chai is baking powder, because that's what reacts with the chai patti and gives that beautiful pink color. And then we need some milk, depending on the choice of milk that you prefer. I prefer soy milk over the normal cow milk. So you start with taking, depending on how much tea you want to make, so you start with taking 2 cups of water. अब इस पानी को हमें अच्छे से उबालना है, and we're going to put our very special green tea in it, which is also by the way called gunpowder green tea. तो इस पानी के अंदर अब हम वो डालेंगे. And then we are going to wait for it to start boiling. Okay, now that the water has started boiling properly, we're going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder in it. Now basically what baking powder does now is that it reacts with the chai patti, and उसी की वजह से you get that beautiful pink color. So this has started to come to a boil, and basically हमने करना क्या है कि जब तक ये एक dark burgundy color का नहीं हो जाता, we need to keep boiling the water, and if the need be, तो water हम add करते रहेंगे. So as you can see, abhi, let me show you closely. If you can see, ये already थोड़ा burgundy types लगने लग गया है. What we're going to do is we're going to add a glass of water more, ताकि इसका water level ज़्यादा कम ना हो, but the color keeps coming. And now we're going to continue boiling it. So we basically need that very deep hue of burgundy in it. Oh, सबसे important चीज़ तो इसके हम भूल ही गए. That is salt. So now we're going to add salt as per taste. hope you can see this beautiful color that's coming. I really cannot wait enough कि जैसे इसमें मिल्क डालेंगे ना इतना ब्यूटीफुल सा पिंक आने वाला है. I hope so, like keeping my fingers crossed. Okay, time to put the milk and see if the magic happens. Can you start seeing the change? कैसे वो ब्राउन से पिंक होता जा रहा है. Okay, this right here is noon chai, and let's serve it and taste it. Now let's taste it and see. And this right here is the perfect cup of noon chai. So, noon chai with Kashmiri breads. Oh my god, they are one of the best ways to wake up in the morning, and now I get it कि सारे कश्मीरी इतना ज़्यादा क्यों पसंद करते हैं. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below that if you have ever tried noon chai before and आपको वो पसंद है या नहीं पसंद है, या फिर ये वीडियो देखने के बाद you are tempted to try it now, and definitely let me know how this recipe that I showed you today works for you, and if you liked it or not. Thank you for watching, and hope you've subscribed by now. If you haven't, please जाके subscribe कर लो. It really means a lot to me and motivates me to keep coming back and making these amazing videos for you guys. And then notification पे पक्का से click कर देना so that you never miss on to the amazing videos I'll be coming again very soon. I'll see you in the next one. Well, now I'm going to enjoy my noon chai for the evening today, and let me know in the comment if you tried this recipe and how did you find this really unique cup of tea.